What are you doing? Are you eating cereal? Eat cereal? Hey, usually we cook oatmeal. Did you want me to cook you some oatmeal? You want some hot oatmeal? Hot oats, hot oats. Is it good?
Yep.
Mmm. Yummy?
Oatmeal. Yummy.
Oatmeal, yummy.
Oh, yummy.
You're funny. What happened here to your pants? I thought it was awfully quiet in the kitchen. It was very quiet in the kitchen. Now I know why.